Hi, welcome to the course. I'm Dr. Horn and I'll be your instructor this semester. I just wanted to greet you personally. I know that this is a weird semester with online only, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm here to do everything I can to make sure that this course is as accessible as possible for you. I will say that English 1010 has the possibility to be the most important course you take during your entire time at Pellissippi. It's a course where you're learning how to write even better, so wherever you're at, the goal is to get you a step forward on your way. Because writing is used in practically every course we have, if you take walking, you have to write things up. It's incredibly important, and I know that a wide variety of careers that you wouldn't necessarily associate with writing involve large bits of writing as well. My mom's a retired nurse, and at the end of each shift, she has to write up every single patient she's had. If your writing isn't clear and concise, that's a big potential problem for everybody involved. So we want to get your writing better. Even if you're good, we want to make sure that you're even greater. If you're really nervous about writing, I want to help you develop more confidence about it and get those skills increased so that all of this does mean that you have to put in time. As I wrote in the syllabus, the general rule for college classes is that you assume for every hour you're in class, and in other words, the number of credit hours you're signed up for, you want to expect to be putting in about 3 times that outside of class, which means basically for English 1010 alone, you're looking about 12 hours per week. It won't always be that much, but you do need to make sure that you're setting aside that much time so that you can really succeed, so that you have time to revise your work, and so that you're not just doing the best you can at the last possible moment, because if you're anything like me, that is not really good. So this class is definitely what you make of it. And you also need to remember that you're putting in time, but also you need to make sure that I know you're having difficulties. So if something's getting in the way of you succeeding, please let me know. I may not be able to do anything about it, but if I can put you in touch with the right person to possibly get help, I will. Pellissippi has great resources. Also, if I know that there's something getting in the way of you submitting by a particular date, if you let me know ahead of time, we could maybe do something about that date. If you let me know afterwards, it's too late. So please, as soon as you know there's a problem, let me know and we can get proactive about it, because I really am here to help. I want you to be sure too that you advocate for yourself. If you have questions about a particular assignment or about the course as a whole, go back and look at that assignment sheet or look at the course syllabus, because often the answers really are there. But if you do that and you still have a question, let me know. You can always send me an email by Brightspace email, and I'll get in touch with you as soon as I can. I'm setting up 3 different discussion boards under the help heading in Brightspace, so you can ask for help from your peers. You can also set up an appointment with me using bookings, and we have a shorter or longer video chat depending on the questions you have. You can share your work with me on the screen. We can talk about it. Just make sure you're letting me know that you're advocating for yourself, whether it's something big or something small. Often, the questions that go unasked lead you to waste time, whether it's doing it wrong and having to go back and doing it again, or maybe it's leading to a lower grade. Please ask and avoid those problems. Make sure all semester long you're putting in the effort. I'll be here cheering you on. I also want to add that you don't have to agree with me on anything in this class. You're not ever going to get a higher grade if you agree with me. You're not ever going to get a lower grade if you disagree with me. The great thing about writing is it's all about supporting your points. It's about how well you make your argument in every essay or in every discussion board post. So make sure you're always supporting yourself. That's it for the welcome. Now go ahead, click on the video below where we'll go step by step about how to navigate Brightspace, and you can get on your way. Best wishes for a great semester.